2015 Chrysler Town & Country at Hollidaysburg Auto Plaza in Hollidaysburg, Pennsylvania. This Chrysler is well equipped with power sliding doors, a V6 engine, a power liftgate, leather seats, power and heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, under 124,000 miles, a backup camera, tri-zone auto climate with rear controls, a drop video screen, only one previous owner, 0 accidents, third row seats. It's under $15,000. Visit hollidaysburgautoplaza.com or call 814-257-5338.